In this DelftStack tutorial, we will explore multiple methods to determine if a file contains a specific string using PowerShell. Before we dive into the details, let's briefly overview the methods we will cover using select string Cmdlet, efficient pattern matching within files, using getContent with string methods, reading file content, and utilizing string operations, using system.io.file ReadAllText with leveraging .NET methods for text search, using getContent with contains method, line-by-line analysis for targeted searches, searching multiple files for a string, recursively searching directories for specific text. Now let's explore each method in detail. Our first method utilizes the select string Cmdlet, which searches for text patterns within files. In this script, we define the file path and the pattern we are searching for. The -quiet parameter returns a Boolean value indicating the presence of the string. Another approach is to read the file's content and use string methods to check for the desired text. Here, getContent reads the entire file as a single string with the -raw parameter, and the -like operator checks for the substring. For those who prefer .NET methods, system.io.file ReadAllText combined with the operator offers a robust solution. This method reads the entire content of the file into a single string and uses the operator for a regular expression match. Alternatively, you can read the file line by line and check each line for the presence of the string. This approach processes each line individually, setting a flag if the string is found. To search for a specific string across multiple files within a directory and its subdirectories, you can use the following script. This script recursively searches through all files in the specified directory for the given string. Each of these methods offers a way to check if a file contains a specific string in PowerShell. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For more tutorials and tips, visit DelftStack.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.